Alright guys, so we're just gonna do like a little POV drive for the day out in the country.
When they get quiet, that's when you're going, man.
I never open the sunroof.
Huh?
I'll never open the sunroof.
Right now, I don't know why he is going.
Y'all keep watching my videos, y'all know in a manual car. You're gonna want a manual. Especially when I did these double downshifts. Like, hold on. This ain't no real fast. They ain't blowing the horn at me. No. Well, lucky it's a cop up there. Blow their eardrums out. Y'all know where I'm at. Y'all know how the cops is over here, so. I'm gonna keep looking at me for it. Like, bro, I can see you, dog. See what he got pulled over, and it's a state trooper. Oof, what is it? Lexus? Yeah, big pie.
To the piss up.
Yeah, he was sitting back in the seat. Oh yeah, I know who that cop is too. Funny thing about coming over here, I hate driving through these. To be straight pipe, full exhaust, betters, catless. It's not that loud right now.
Oh, it's not even as loud as whatever you like.
The back windows are halfway down. I mean, it's loud.
I'm saying, like, right now, when you're driving in,
Yeah.
like, before it was really loud.
I'm like 17, 1800 RPMs. Just imagine what the drone of the bumps or the turn downs would have been like. What kind of car is that? C5. C5. I see. I wish we had a Cadillac dealership around here, so I could take a real. I want to take a real like from the Cadillac dealership. If y'all aren't following my Instagram, y'all need to go follow my Instagram. I'll get this video. I'm gonna put it in the screen. I need to get that sun visor up here. Like how I used to have the Mustang. Yeah. I don't want the tint strip. I want the visor like with the letters in it. You know, like the Mustang, it's that Ford Performance. For a matter of fact, if somebody comes up with a good idea, like my Mustang, I used to have one of those sun visors and it said Ford Performance on there. So if somebody comes up with a good idea, comment it down below. I'm not sure what I want to put up there. Right, look at it right now. Somebody got a good idea, I don't know. People think differently, so you know.
We'll give it a shout out.
I'm like, hey, yo, you didn't pay for it, but shout out the idea. Now unless y'all want to pay for it too, that's cool. Hey, buddy. Chill. That's a Mazda. That's a Mazda. That's not an RX-7. Don't got no rotary, my boy. That's an RX-6. That'd be the main problem, running into other people with regular cars, having a loud car. They always be thinking you're trying to mess with them or race. Okay, he chilling. Hey, no way. Bro, what?
Say your shit too loud.
Yeah, alright. If you ain't want to hear it, then stay back there.
We got over.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What's your window up? It's my car. Yeah, look at those guys. to be in the vlog. About to call me in a minute. Hold on. If buddy don't call me, he fake.
He not gonna call you?
Nah, ain't no way he didn't see me. Wow, it's your own homeboy. Trey, if you watch this video, bro, you a punk. You a punk. I'm about to get the sound clip, you know.
Can we do a quick pull and you record it?
Girl. Alright, guys, this is how she sound. Make sure ain't no cars coming. I already done see you in the video now. They know you in the car. She trying to duck down. Make sure I ain't getting ran over. How could you not want this? Hey! Ah! I'm revving the car in my ear. Like, I don't know, it's loud. Revving my car. Alright guys, this is where we're gonna end the video at. Appreciate y'all guys for watching. She wanna be famous so bad. Alright, I appreciate y'all guys watching. I'm out.